this party. One of the better ones, sir.
Yeah,
And so is Akashdeep. But today, both of you are indulging in whataboutery to justify why both parties have failed. And if we had a BJP spokesperson right now, Rami, the only obvious question is, why has the centre also not arrested this man? Are they scared? Are they scared of the fallout? Kangna and her prestige does not matter to anyone. Why? Because Kangna is that, hot potato, that hot political football, that issue that can be used by all political parties.
Deepthi, good evening. I'm glad to be on this show because what I'm hearing is absolutely atrocious. Let me make a couple of points first. Number one, like the previous panelist said, that this has become almost, this sort of misogyny, insult has become the norm now, and it's okay to say it, nobody cares about it, and it keeps getting worse and worse and worse. Whatever Kangana said, I'm a Bangladesh observer, I'm a Myanmar observer, I may not agree with her, I may not agree with some of her other statements, but if I took offense to it or if I didn't agree with it, I would debate that. What are we debating here is an assault on her being a woman, because it's an easy pot shot to take. We are not arguing on the basis of what she said, whether it's right or, whether it has any sort of geopolitical basis, nothing like that. The mind doesn't matter when it comes to a woman, because it's easy to take a personal attack at her. And unfortunately, I was on your debate earlier on and we were talking about what's happening in West Bengal.
Absolutely.
Unfortunately, I have to say this, that women's issues have to be over and above politics. The previous Congress panelist was trying to make it into a political issue. Sir, it is not a political issue. It is an assault on my senses. It is an assault on, I think, every woman who hears this. So a decent woman cannot, a decent and intelligent woman cannot be an actor. You're saying usko Bombay वापस भेज दो. Do you think that you may not agree with Kangana's point of view, but she cannot make a point of view like this because eventually there's going to be a personal attack on her? How do you expect women to enter politics or the public domain with this sort of constant assault on their integrity and a question on their morality? So you have to look at the larger picture, sir. You cannot make this about, somebody said this and somebody said that, you didn't take action. Women have been made into scapegoats for political score settling. And I think this is what I'm seeing on this debate as well, which is very shameful.
Absolutely. And Rami, this was just, I think, about 2 days ago. No, Mr. Mehta, आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं? हम भी परेशान हो चुके हैं सर, सेम सवाल पूछते हैं, किसी का कोई जवाब नहीं आता. This is like a fixed match between all political parties. Shakti Yadav, who's a senior spokesperson of the RJD. RJD, that is a part of the India Alliance, Mr. Mecca. He said, नाचने गाने वाली पर क्या बात करेंगे? किस तरह की भाषा का आप लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं? तभी तो सिमरनजीत सिंह मान जैसे लोगों की हिम्मत बढ़ती है कि वो इस तरह का कमेंट देते हैं और उसके बाद ट्वीट करते हैं, पॉलिटिक्स खेलते हैं, और आकाशदीप मुनि और उनकी पार्टी और भाजपा और उनके तमाम लोग खामोश बैठे. आकाशदीप,
Deepthi, today I will not say the words that have been uttered by Kangana, but because the words that I heard from Simranjit Singh Mann is not only crass, but how can it shows the mentality. And on your channel I am saying he is not even a Punjabi, because a Punjabi cannot speak like this. Today I totally agree with you that a suo motu cognizance should be taken of his comments.
So what is your Chief Minister Bhagwant Singh Mann doing? What is your Chief Minister Bhagwant Singh Mann doing?
Yes, I'm sure that Bhagwant Singh Mann government will take action against him as he has fought since ages, since last 2 decades.
कैसे लेंगे? वो किसानों की बातें कर रहे हैं. आपको हरियाणा में चुनाव लड़ना है, दिक्कत यही होती है ना, क्योंकि आप लोग अपना वोट बैंक देखते हैं. आकाशदीप,